Good evening, everybody. I'm demonstrating how to use bushmarket.co. So, a new website which is coming to Cameroon soon. www.bushmarket.co. This website is free of charge. It means you can go there and upload your things, any things you have for sale, and the buyer will contact you and you meet with that buyer in order to sell your product. Please note, do not send any money by Western Union to anybody, or do not pay any money without you meeting with that person to see the good and trust the good. So I am the CEO of Bush Market. I am recording this video to say welcome to Bush Market, and I want to demonstrate to you how to use Bush Market. So, for example, this is a very simple website. It says how to classify it, and what you can do is, if you choose to add a classify, it will tell you you cannot add a classify because you have not registered as a member of Bush Market. So, how do I register as a member of Bush Market? It's very simple. I have to sign up. So, for example, my name is Ken. My last name is and my email address is this, and I will put a password which I want to use. So I will sign up now. So you see a message has come, you have registered successfully. Please check your email to confirm your account, please. So what has happened here is, in order for us to prevent fraud, we have made it in such a way that you have to go to your email address and click on the link to make sure, for us to be sure that you are not using somebody's email address. So simple. You go into your email, and it might take some little while before you get that done. So please, you wait a little bit for that. So now we will check the email to see if we've gotten the email from Bush Market. So this is the email from Bush Market. It's stating here, thanks for registration, the best place to buy and sell your stuff. To verify your email, please click on the link. So I'll just take that link. Normally you should click on the link. So your email account is now active. So how can I do now? What should I do? So I can come in and put in my email address and put in my password, and now I am logging into Bush Market. You will see a panel will open here. So because my first name is Ken, it will welcome me. That welcome Ken. So there's so many things here which we do offer in Bush Market. If you want to edit your profile, you could go directly into your profile and edit any information you want to edit. If you want to view the advertisements that you've posted, because I haven't posted anything, so this is to view all the posted app. If you want to activate your app, your ads, or you want to deactivate them. If you want to see statistics regarding your app, what impressions, status, view, how many people have viewed. If you want to change even your password, you could do that, and you could log out here. So before I go ahead and submit a classify app, I want to show you, if you are having any issues with bushmarket.co, what you could do is you could click the support tab, and a new brown page should be open for you to be able to, you could log in your complaint in this new brown space by just coming to submit a ticket. Okay, and you take a general ticket and take next. It's going to ask you to put in your name, your email, and then you lay the complaint what issues you are having with the website. Or if you want, you could screenshot and attach them and just fill in the verification box and submit. And if they have in between 48 hours, the Bush Market team will come to you. We'll try our best to solve this issue. If it's a technical issue, our developers are standby at 24 hours who are behind doing a great job for us. So guys, and also if you come on the page area here, if you need help, frequent questions about Bush Market or the rules and regulation about Bush Market, and frequent questions like which will happen is how long does your free app will stay on our site? It will be 1 month, or if you want to contact Bush Market, you could just fill in your email address here, the subject, and you send an email and we're going to get it. Another great thing I would like from you guys is if you have an idea and you think Bush Market should change, you could come in here and fill our survey and then make your comments, and we are very open for all those informations. So we do have Facebook. If you want to find us on Facebook, Cameroon Bush Market. If you want to find us on Twitter, we are also there. We're everywhere. So you will find our great Twitter page, which we're doing. We'll also give you news on things that are happening in Cameroon. So let me go straight to the point now. Let's try to see how we can place an ad on the site. So I'll take add a classifier ad. So it opens me to this main page. Okay. I want to paste something. So I choose clothing and lifestyle. So is it what I want to offer this? So you can use demand if you are looking for something, and you can use offer if you want to sell something. So let's see, subcategory, okay, footwear and accessories, okay. I will just make it heavy here. Size 38. So you can make a note, hello, I have a shoe, I have a lady shoe to sell, which is size 38. For a very good price. Okay, sorry guys. Very good price. So you can put the price here. How much is it? Let's say 4,000 CFA. Okay, which is very good. And what part of Cameroon is that shoe in? Oh, if the person is in Boya. So do we have a picture of that shoe? Yes, we have a picture of that shoe. So let's go. I have it here. I have the folder. So let's see. This is the picture of that shoe. And you can also, if you have a YouTube video or you have a link, you can also put the link here. And you see my information from my login information are already here, my name, my email address. I will put my contact number. And it's a free app, so it's free. So this is free. And my location, where am I based in Cameroon? Okay, I'm based in Boya. And you've read and agreed the terms and conditions of Bush Market. Means you are not going to send any money to anybody before you see this product. If you want to buy anything from anybody in Bush Market, you have to meet this person and you have to look the goods if it's good for you before you pay any money and take the goods. Do not give your money or do not give any goods to anybody if you have not been paid, please. So I will save. So once you save this information, it will tell you it's successfully saved, but the items will not appear once on the website. So what you have to do is, please pay attention. What you have to do is go into your profile, view your posted app, and activate this advertisement. So there's this button to activate and deactivate. So when you activate, it means it's going to go live into the system. As you can see, it has come into the newest item. This is your shoe here. It's showing here. And if the shoe is already sold, you can just click on deactivate this item. So let's go into the site and see this nice shoe. So let's have the view. This is the shoe. This is the view I want to have. This is the view of the shoe. If in case I want to contact my seller, I could also send an email from here by writing my email address and sending a message to the seller. Or I could say, I could send the seller a chat message in here. Okay. So there's so many ways you could do things around. You could send him a chat message. So, okay. So everybody, thank you very much. Have fun with Bush Market, and I wish you all nice time, and please come again. Bye bye.